I hope not.
What?
I'm sure there were no chemical munitions.
Shit, ain't no pilots flying in here tonight.
Oh, Jesus. Buddy, I don't think that's an impact.
Oh! We gotta get the
Shit. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, I got that one. I got it, man. I got all this shit.
Are you taking stills as well?
Nah, but I can get stills off the digital.
Roger that.
Holy fuck.
At least we get a warning.
Oh, jeez. This shit's just starting, man. Oh, man. I'm about to run out of tape, dude. It's not blowing towards us. Oh, man.
DFAC is the area to go to, though. Here in about 5-10 minutes. Look at those flames, man.
I'm getting it, man. Hey, Edge, do me a favor, man.
Yeah?
Reach down in my bag right there at your feet.
Yep.
Grab me another tape. There should be a tape in one of the side pockets.
Yep. Oh. On the inside?
On the out, so it's one of the outside side pockets. I don't want to miss any of this shit. It should be unopened.